everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you that Htvront is having their Black Friday sale. And they have lots of nice vinyls like this silver one here, the gold, this white one here with reflects of green. And I love these sky color ones. Isn't these nice? And of course they have regular everyday colors for you to choose from. So while I'm making a t-shirt, I'll be telling you about the sale that they're having. So I'm just going to line up my vinyl onto my cutting board and then place it into the cutting machine and start cutting away our image. Now they're also going to have a lucky draw campaign from November the 25th to 30th of 2022 where you could win an easy press, a $30 lucky bag, or a $15 gift card, and vinyl with purchase of $69 in a single receipt. And as you can see here, their vinyl is so easy to weed, makes it fast and easy when you're doing your project. Also from November the 25th, which is today, to the 30th, they have up to 50% off their products, some of their products. And on Amazon, their Black Friday sale is from November 24th until November the 28th. The auto heat press will currently have a 20% off on the Amazon site, and other vinyls also have 20% off during the Black Friday. They are having the biggest Htvront promotion event of the year, the Amazon Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale 2022 from November the 21st until December the 4th, where they will have 20 to 25% off discounts on Amazon. So I will have the links below so you guys can click on the links and go get some of these great deals for yourself to get some vinyl. And they have all kind of vinyls like I was showing you in the beginning for you to do your crafting with at very affordable prices. Alright everyone, hurry up and go check out Htvront on their site and on their Amazon site. Remember, I have both the links down below in the description box. You guys can click it out and go check it out. And happy crafting!